How to open Deliveroo account in UK. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can open a Deliveroo account on UK. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to open a Deliveroo account in UK, it is actually fairly quite simple to do so. Now you just have to open your browser and go to deliveroo.co.uk. I will make sure to drop a link in the description box below. Once you go to the UK designated website, click on the sign up or login button from the top right hand side of the screen, as you can read there. Now you can either choose to continue with your email address to create an independent email, or you can continue with your Facebook, Google, or your Apple ID. So whichever is comfortable for you, you simply select the type of account that you want and hit the continue button. And once done, if it asks you to send a verification phone number, make sure to enter your phone number and verify it. And once done, your Deliveroo account on UK will be successfully opened. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.